Welcome back to our channel, and today is part 2 of our Valentine's DIYs from the Dollar Tree.
And if you guys haven't seen our first one, we'll link it up above here so you guys can go check that out.
Yes, we hope you guys are loving the Valentine's Day videos. And then for today's video, we're gonna do 2 more DIYs. And the first one, what you're gonna need from the Dollar Tree is some sort of glass jar or vase, flowers, some ribbon, conversation hearts. Our Dollar Tree didn't have any, and there's a shortage of these, I guess, this year, but we did find some at Walmart. And that's all you'll need for the first one.
Okay guys, and for the second DIY, we're just going to use this potted galvanized planter that they have right now at Dollar Tree. And then we're gonna take just a whole bunch of different colored roses and kind of just make like a Valentine's Day like centerpiece.
Yeah, and we wanted to include one item too that wasn't kind of in your face Valentine's Day. This is just Valentine's Day colors, but super simple and still kind of sticks to that Valentine's Day theme.
All right, so let's go ahead and get into the video.
All right, so step 1 is just dump the candy hearts right into the vase. And if you could find a big bag of these, that would be ideal. All right guys, so this container was not big enough, or we have not enough hearts for this big container. So we are gonna switch to a smaller container and then add these little heart picks in kind of throughout to fill up the jar more and add a little more interest as well. Alright, so then we have this ribbon from the Dollar Tree, and we're just going to go ahead and tie a bow around the vase, or the jar here. And now we're just going to go ahead and put some flowers in the jar.
All right, you guys, so then that is the finished product.
And then just to fill the planter here, we're just gonna add some tissue paper on the bottom, and then we're gonna stick in our flowers. And if you had the floral foam, you could do that as well. We just don't have any, and we're gonna use that. And now just to add a finishing touch, we're just gonna take some of this rope that's from the Dollar Tree and just put that along the top here to kind of just add something a little bit extra and just secure it with hot glue. All right guys, and that's the finished item. Alright guys, and that is it for our second DIY, and we hope you guys liked today's video. This first one, both of these are super cute floral ones, which would look great to help decorate for Valentine's Day or add any extra floral touches, but they're not too much Valentine's, and so if you're not a big fan of decorating for this holiday, these are perfect for you. And then on our display here too, we have the 2 DIYs from our first video, so be sure you go ahead and watch that as well, and we'll catch you in the next video. Bye! Alright guys, and here are 2 more videos off to the right for you to go ahead and watch to check out our channel further. And then also, here's the icon of our faces, and if you click that, you will be subscribed to our channel.